Men are strong, Jack, but the tiger is stronger.
Tigers are the world's largest cats. Tigers belong to the genus Panthera of the Felidae family. Other animals of the Panthera genus include lions, jaguars, leopards, and snow leopards. The king of the jungle is a title often associated with lions. However, lions do not live in the jungle, and tigers, they rule the jungle. There were a total of 8 subspecies of tigers, of which 3 are extinct. Fewer than 4,000 tigers remain in the wild. 2 million years ago, the tiger's earliest ancestors left Africa and ventured into Asia. Even though they are similar in size to that of lions, they are more related to snow leopards. Tigers were once found across Asia, from Russia to Indonesia, but their current range is only 7% of their historic range. Tigers are categorized into 2 types. The first one is the mainland Asian tiger, and the second one is the Sunda Island tiger. Bengal tigers are the numerous subspecies accounting to about 50% of total tiger population. They are also the largest tiger subspecies along with the Siberian. They are found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. Males have an average length of 270 to 310 cm, while females measure from 240 to 265 cm. The weight of a male ranges from 180 to 260 kg, while that of female ranges from 100 to 160 kg. White tigers are a type of Bengal tiger. They are not albinos, they are leucistic, a genetic condition that causes them to lack pigment in their fur. Siberian tigers are the heavyweights of the tiger world. They are mainly found in Russia and some parts of China and North Korea. Their thick fur is pale orange in color with brown stripes. Males can reach a weight up to 320 kg. Females are close to half their size. Historically, Siberian tigers were larger animals. Recent studies show that Bengal tigers have the longest bodies, measuring up to 310 cm, which is about 60 cm more than the Siberian. The decrease in size of the Siberian tiger is due to reduced abundance of food due to illegal hunting. The Caspian tigers were found in Turkey, Iran, Afghanistan, and western China. They became extinct in the 1970s. They were similar in size to that of Bengal and Siberian tigers. Males on average were 270 to 295 cm long and weighed 170 to 240 kilograms. Females on average were 240 to 260 centimeters and weighed 85 to 135 kilograms. The South China tiger, as the name suggests, is native to southern China. Most of these tigers are in captivity. Males measure from 230 to 265 centimeters and weigh 130 to 175 kilograms. Females measure 220 to 240 centimeters and weigh 100 to 115 kilograms. The Indo-Chinese tigers are found in Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam and southwestern China. Males range in size from 255 to 285 centimeters and weigh 150 to 195 kilograms. Females range in size from 230 to 255 centimeters and weigh 100 to 130 kilograms. The Malayan tiger is the type of Indo-Chinese tiger that is native to Malaysia. Genetically, there is no clear difference between the Malayan and the Indo-Chinese tiger, which is why they are also called as Southern Indo-Chinese tiger. The Javan tiger lived in the Indonesian islands of Java. They became extinct in the 1970s. Males had a mean length of 248 centimeters and weighed between 100 to 141 kilograms. Females weighed between 75 to 115 kilograms. The Bali tiger lived in the Indonesian islands of Bali. They became extinct in the 1950s. Males were 220 to 230 centimeters long and weighed 90 to 100 kilograms. Females are 190 to 210 centimeters long and weighed 65 to 80 kilograms. The Sumatran tiger is the only living subspecies of the Sunda Island tiger. They are also the smallest of all living tigers. This population is found in the Sumatran Islands of Indonesia. Males have a length of 220 to 255 centimeters and weigh 100 to 140 kilograms. Females are 215 to 230 centimeters long and weigh 75 to 110 kilograms. Unlike most cats, tigers enjoy being in the water and are therefore great swimmers. They have evolved to have webbing between their toes, which allows them to push around greater volume of water with each stroke of their paws. Tigers have false eyes on the back of their head. This mimicry gives other predators behind the tiger the impression that they are being watched. Many animals have also evolved to have the same strategy. Tigers have the longest canines of any big cat. Their canines can measure up to 7.5 centimeters in length. Their jaw can produce a bite force of 1050 psi. Tigers' tongue are as rough as a sandpaper. These tongues are covered with backward facing spines that help them to lick meat away from bones. They also use their tongues to lick their fur, keeping them parasite free and also removing blood from their skin. Like other big cats, tigers have soft pads on their soles, which not only provides cushioning to their feet, but also muffles their footsteps. They have retractable claws that are used to grasp and hold on to prey. Each paw has 4 of these claws and one specialized claw called a dew claw, which is located farther back on the foot and does not touch the ground when walking. Tigers are solitary, coming together only to mate. Tiger territories can range up to 150 square kilometers. Tigresses have a shorter range compared to males. Scent marking allows them to mark their territories. Dense vegetation suits them, allowing the stripes to do their work. Tigers prefer to be in the jungle where there is plenty of cover, abundant prey, and water source. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. They are ambush hunters. They stalk their prey, and when close enough, they lunge towards their prey and go for the neck to asphyxiate and kill their prey. Tigers are the apex predators of the jungle. They hunt sambar deers, wild boars, and sometimes even adult gores. They are also known to kill crocodiles and pythons. When close proximity to humans, they often hunt domestic livestock. Occasionally, they have hunted humans too. Tigresses have a pregnancy period of about 3.5 months. Tigresses can have up to 7 cubs in a litter. The average cub weighs about a kilogram. A tigress on average will give birth to up to 12 cubs in her lifetime. The cubs can't see until they are 2 weeks old. They feed on their mother's milk for the first 2 months. After 6 weeks, they include meat in their diet. After 4 months, they are the size of a medium dog. At 18 months, juvenile cubs became independent, leaving to establish territories of their own. They will fight against rival males to claim their territory. Young females lay their first litter in their 3rd or 4th birthday. Males take a couple of years more to mature. They have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. Among all the big cats, tiger population is at the highest risk. They are endangered. In the year 1900, the population of tiger was about 100,000. By the year 2000, there were less than 4,000 tigers remained in the wild. There is no one to blame but humans. Fortunately, there are conservation groups that are trying to boost tiger populations, and the results are showing good. In the Sundarbans, a forest on the border of West Bengal and Bangladesh, tigers are often known to prey at humans, killing about 50 humans per year. To tackle this problem, a conservation group called the World Conservation Union started distributing masks that has faces on the back of their heads. This tactic has reduced human deaths from 50 to 0. This is the same tactic of false eyes that the tigers use.